In the beginning, the daredevil, the stuntman, and anyone else in the world, there was a common sense. Evil stunt jumping. You seen Lisa's 3G like a bike one? Now see one on a ramp. Can Connor do it? Off he goes! He missed it! A disappointment to the world as he missed it! Round 3! No, round 2! Here he goes! He's going over there.
Connor's gonna try and make it again!
Hey, look at Dara!
We all wonder if he'll make it or not.
Let's see if Connor will make this jump.
Why is my brother so mean?
If he makes this jump, it will be awesome. His second video on YouTube. But shall he make it? Oh my God! Oh, it burns! So does not.
And he all tricked us again. Here he goes.
Connor!
On your marks! Get set! Go!
He's gonna kill himself. There he is.
Montage.
Will he make it? Will he make it or will he not in the second round? No! Ow! Ow! Ow!
Oh, that hurt.
Now here is Dara Gilroy!
YouTube lads.
Not that.